Sa pilitang pamagobra, inikano yung denasan daling may gitulong dalan talapagobra king Zunyuan Technology Incorporated metong Internet Gaming License Hub. Miyerkules March 13, anyang nireid dereng miyabeng puwersa na ng Philippine National Police, Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Commission o PAOK at Armed Forces of the Philippines in Chinese-owned Philippine Offshore Gaming Operator o POGO Compound king Barangay Anupol, Bamban, Tarlac. Basic initial inventory, 371 karing may rescue at talapagobra ring Pilipino, kabang 432 na ring Chinese at 57 na ring Vietnamese. At tinla naman kayabang 8 Malaysian national at 2 Indonesian at 2 Rwandan. May daw niya yung raid paulit na ng search warrant at pepaliwal ng Bulacan Executive Judge Hermenegildo Dumlao. Agpang Bulacan Provincial Prosecutor Ramon Cito Ocampo, meto nga Malaysian National Amagobra king Zunyuan Technology Incorporated, ing menyad sa king pao kapamilita ng Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin. February 12 bukan nun yung tintang yaketi Pilipinas ing Malaysian National at abalo na naapis sa na kadunin kayang Chinese National akaluguran king halagang 300,000 pesos sa nyama kanya niyang miras king may sabing kumpanya at may nga pilitang magobra.
And he claimed that he was being beaten whenever he could not reach his quota, and made 500 push-ups, 300 sit-ups as a punishment. And if he will be late only for 2 minutes in his workplace, he will be penalized for a fine of 5,000 pesos.
Kaya ba mo naman kanu karing modus na ning Zunyuan Technology Incorporated in pamag-recruit karing interesadong makipagobra, ang timong call center agents dapat oras magpirma ng kontrata, aliwa nala pala yung obrang bibyara karela.
Recruited through social media, promised jobs which they thought were legal, such as encoders, similar to call center agents, promised a monthly pay of 21,000, 20,000, but they were not paid. Once they had entered the premises, they found out that their jobs were involved into scamming.
Panasakit ang dala naman kanuring talapagobra patsela makapag-deliver king karelang kota. Dala naman kanu palwalan king compound, dapat edo dininan gamit ang timong toiletries.
Every time na malilate siya, nagpa-penalize siya ng 5,000 pesos for 2 minutes delay. And every time na mainit ang ulo niyang yung group leader niya, who is a Chinese national, who is seated, was beside him, there was a time na 3 days ago na sinuntok siya. Press pa nga yung wound niya sa may nose bridge niya.
Mimye naman babalayo kampo karing aliwa pang pogo keti bangsa.
I think this operation will serve as a lesson to all other pogo who are illegally operating within the country. And nasasabi ko na lalo-lalo na yung mga pogo na tumatanggap na binibenta yung mga foreigners to work there as pogo, I think they should think twice bago nila gawin to, because the long arm of the law talagang it will reach them.
Yako po yung kaya kayong talasuyo, JM De Jesus, ating pusong makabalin.